Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add books to your Goodreads mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Goodreads app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top of the screen, you will see a search bar. Tap it and type the name of the book or the author you are looking for. When the book shows up, in the search result, tap on it to open the book page. Now you will see the book's description, average rating and review from other readers. Under the book's cover, you will see a buttons like Want to read, Currently reading. Tap the one that fits where you are in your reading journey. Just tap Want to read and that's it. You have just added a book to your Goodreads shelves using the mobile app from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.